If you're like most Alberta homeowners, you're looking forward to the upcoming summer weather. But are your windows up for the task? If you've experienced drafts, water pooling on your windowsills from rain or melting snow, and have had difficulty opening or closing your windows, it might be time to get replacement windows for your Calgary home. Replacement windows don't just boost your curb appeal, a major bonus if you're planning to sell this summer, but they also keep your home at a comfortable indoor temperature without overworking your AC. How? Gas fills, low-E glass, and energy-efficient panes that keep out the elements for complete indoor comfort. They'll keep out drafts, summer heat, and the rain. Insulation from the temperatures and the elements is one of the best-known benefits of replacement windows. But there's more. Summer is a great time, with kids getting out of school, more backyard barbecues, and neighborhood parties that may last a little late. But with replacement windows, you can rest easy, literally, with the exceptional soundproofing qualities of your new windows. But not just gatherings and parties increase during the summer, crime does too. Don't worry, replacement windows drastically decrease the risk of your home being broken into. New windows are extremely difficult to break or remove, giving you peace of mind. When you need replacement windows in Calgary, you need a certified installation team that's fully dedicated to providing outstanding service and workmanship. Give GreenFox Windows and Doors a call for a free in-home consultation.